Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling a design pattern in Salesforce that could save you a lot of headache. That is the factory design pattern. Have you ever found yourself writing repetitive object creation logic or dealing with some tightly coupled classes? It's frustrating, right? That's where the factory design pattern comes in. In simple terms, it's a creational pattern that centralizes object creation in a single factory class. Sounds a bit abstract, right? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the concept, but also know how to apply it in real scenarios. When I first learned about the factory pattern, I will admit it didn't make much sense to me either. But once I tried it out and saw how it solved real problem in my implementation, it all clicked. This pattern reduces dependencies, simplifies your code, and ensures consistent structure across similar classes. That's a game changer for any developer working with Apex. So let's not waste any time and let me show you the problem we often face and how the factory pattern can fix it, step by step with a live demo. So I have already logged in into my Salesforce org. Now let me navigate to the developer console. Okay, so this is developer console. Now I have some process in my org like the order delivery process. So what happened that order delivery whenever you place an order and you can opt out some option for delivery. Either it will be in-store delivery, that is you go to store and from there you pick up the delivery by yourself. So the store member will arrange all the items together and pack it for you. You just go into the store and pick it up from there. So that is in-store delivery. Now another delivery is like someone will bring the package for you in your home address. Now, in that case, there would be like different type of delivery. Like it could be priority delivery, it could be like standard delivery, it could be anything, right? Based upon whether you are having a priority membership or not, or whether you are having a standard membership or not, or whether you are a new customer, based on that, the delivery process will differ. Now we need to build a delivery process, seamless delivery process in our Salesforce org so that it could handle the delivery. Now, as a developer, suppose I am the developer, so I write one code for order delivery in store. I created one classes and in that particular class what it there will be like all the classes will have two method in common, that is delivery time and discount. Okay, and rest of the method will based upon whatever uh, a particular type of delivery have some particular feature, based on that we will create our another method. So suppose in this case, in case of in-store delivery, we have delivery time as 20 minutes. And if you pick up it from store by yourself, then you will get 10% discount. Okay. And then there is some more extra method that will be not common for all the other type of delivery type. But for this in-store delivery, we have something like identity verification that is required some ID card, and OTP verification. It will send some OTP on your mobile phone. Now, why I have introduced this one to show it, to demonstrate that we need to, based upon delivery type, we need different classes because we have, it's a simple implementation that I am showing, but in actual, in real time scenario, or whenever you are writing a code for a real customer, it will be not simple like this. There will be like hundreds of thousands of lines of code will be there with different type of method or functionality in that particular classes. So that's why depending upon delivery type, we have differentiated it. Now that's why to show you the differentiation between different type of delivery, I have created this two different method. Now that is in-store delivery. Now later on, I am creating one class for priority customer. So this is my priority customer. So in this case, delivery time will be 15% and discount, but I change the name of the method. I change it to rebate percentage. Rather than giving it as a discount, I provide it as rebate percentage. And that is 8% discount. If you are priority customer and we are delivering it to your home address, then we'll give you 8% discount. And then as it is a priority customer, so we'll send you a thank you message that will not be present on the in-store delivery. So as you are priority customer, so we'll send you a thank you message, and also based upon your order, we'll send you some deal that you can include in your order, and you will get great discount. So that is also we included it here. Okay. Now, suppose another type of delivery type has been added, that is for new customer. So in that new customer, we have this two same delivery time and discount. But in this case, I name it. Suppose I am not creating this class, some other developer is creating this class, this order delivery new customer. So what he or she has done, uh, he or she has named this delivery type same as the other classes, but he or she changed this particular discount method as refund percentage. So if you are a new customer, then you will get 6% of refund percentage. Okay, so now all good. Till this point, we write our code like this. We based upon different developer, we change the method name. We implement as per like their um, whatever requirement is there. We develop it like this. Now there is a common class, that is order processing. Whenever we place an order based on the order delivery type field, whatever delivery type is selected, based upon that we are going to call this particular method. So that's why we write an if else if condition. If delivery type in store, then call this one. If delivery type is priority, then call this particular class. If delivery type is new, call this class. So let me go to this one. This is my order, and in this order I have nothing. I have a field called delivery type where I can select in store. There are different value here: in store, priority, new, standard, many more can come later on. Now suppose I have added a standard one that is not there. So what I need to do, I need to again write an else if condition where delivery type equals to standard, and the new class that I am going to create, that I need to call again, and again I need to call this too. So see, each time I am going to add a new delivery type, I need to modify this main class, that is order processing, and also I need to create a new class where I need to define all this delivery time and rebate percentage or discount method. Correct? Now you able to see, right? This is, you see, this is a redundant code that we are writing. In each cases, this too is same. Then why to write this again and again the same thing? And in each cases, whenever there is a change, we need to change this class. And as this is our main class, so you can imagine, right? We need to be very careful about that one. Otherwise, it will impact it is having a greater impact. We need to do a regressive uh, testing on that one. A rigorous testing is required once we add a new delivery type. So this is a little bit headache for to maintain this thing. So how to mitigate that one? How we can write a code that is like uh, that is follow a proper structure and that will help us to reduce the redundant code. Okay. So for that one, first of all, this refund percentage, then rebate percentage, discount will make it only one. How to make it only one? That is, you need to create an interface for that one. You will create an interface that is I order delivery process, and you define the method name in this particular interface, whichever is common in your all the classes. Doing that one, what you are forcing that every developer should follow the same method name. So there should be a consistency among all the delivery type. It sh- because those are doing a same thing. It is returning some delivery time and rebate percentage. So it should be consistent in all the classes. It should maintain the structure in all the classes. Okay, let's do that changes first. So I will comment out this code and I will enable this part. Okay. So here I am doing what? I am implementing the interface that I have created, and rather than using discount, what I am using rebate percentage that I have used in this particular interface. Once I have done this one, I will save it. Again, for order delivery, I will do the same thing. Okay, done. So you can see now all the classes is using a common structure. Up to this point, we are good. Now, still, there is no changes on this one. We need to, what we need to do, still we are using here, it should be same, like 1 minute. It will be same everywhere rather than this one. It should be. So we solve one problem. Now the another problem is redundant code. Redundant code, how to manage this one and how to get rid of this if else if condition. There comes factory pattern. To follow the factory pattern, we need to create a class that is nothing but a normal class, that is order delivery factory pattern. And here what we are going to do, first we are going to create a static method. Okay, so we are going to create a static method that is get instance of the class, and we will pass delivery type as an input parameter, and the return type of this static method is the interface, that is I delivery process, that is the return type. So first we need to use I order delivery and we need to create an instance of that one, and based upon delivery type we will create different class. So if it is delivery type is in store, then we'll call order delivery in store, but we are keeping it on the interface type of instance, and we are returning an interface as an return type. So let me save it and let me change it in this particular class. Okay, so I will comment it out and open this particular class method. So here what I am doing, I am querying the order and I am passing the delivery type in this order delivery factory and get instance of class, and then I am calling this delivery type, delivery time and rebate percentage only one. So this redundant code, this we are calling three times, but now we are calling only one time. And the object creation, the all the headache of the object creation is not tied on this particular main class. Rather, we created a factory class and passed the headache of creating different object based upon delivery type to this particular class. And also the return type is same. Return type is interface, and it using that interface it is able to call the common method of the different classes. So you can see here how much of redundancy we just able to reduce it by implementing an interface. So that is all about factory pattern. But if you want to know more about this one, like if you don't want to use this if else if condition at all, you don't want it, then how to do that one? To do that one, we need to create either a custom setting or a custom metadata or a custom object, whatever you want, you can create that one to store a mapping. Okay, to store a mapping, only you need to save it. So let me show you what I am doing here, and then you will able to understand it. I created a custom setting called order delivery mapping, and it has only one method, that is class name. And in the record, what I am storing in name itself, I am storing the delivery type, and for this delivery type what class name I am going to maintain, that I will maintain in this one. So if um, suppose after some day we got one new type that is called standard, and we created order delivery to standard customer, in that case we just added one more row here, clicking on new, and we can add this one, and then we can make use of this particular class. Okay, so what we are going to do, why it is throwing me an error message, let's see, list of order, oh okay, sorry. Okay, okay, so what we are doing here, here we created the same one, we are passing the delivery type and the return type is the interface I delivery process. And what we are doing, we are getting the values from custom setting based on delivery type. So once we get the record, then by using the type method, we are getting what is the type of this class name, and we are changing it to a, we are using it to create the instance of a class. Using the new instance, we are creating an instance of that class. Okay. So instance of that particular whatever class name we are getting, and we are assigning it, we are changing it to interface type, and we are returning it. So now you no need to write the if else if condition, and you just need to create your new class and create a particular value in your custom setting. You are all set. You no need to change the factory class, you no need to change the main class. In the main class, how you can invoke that one, it's same. You is order delivery factory, and you need to call that particular method by sending the input parameter as delivery type, and then you can call delivery time and rebate percentage using this particular object. So that is how the factory pattern will help you to reduce the dependency in your main class, simplify your code, and it ensure consistent structure across similar classes. So that is all about factory pattern. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, please do let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer the question. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in next video soon. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.